Hi angels, hi my girlies, hi my girls, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a fun video. I wanted to do a bag reveal. I wanted to talk about this lovely bag right here. So I wanted to do my bag reveal of the lovely Dooney Bourke Randy, the Randy in Florentine leather. So let me go ahead and take a little bit of her packaging off and we can get started talking about this lovely beauty right here that I picked up during the sale. So yes, you ladies, I picked up this lovely, beautiful bag during the Dooney Bourke Florentine sale. They had such good prices. I picked her up in the lovely color fuchsia. And I wanted to give a shout out to my girls, to Phoebe's Corner. Check out her channel, you guys. She recently picked up the same beautiful bag in the lovely fuchsia color, as well as go ahead and check out my other girl, Vintage Sack. On Vintage Sack's channel, she picked up this lovely bag in a blue color. I believe it's a blue color. She picked up a Randy as well. So basically, the same thing happened to me, you guys. I've been eyeing this lovely Randy. I've been eyeing this lovely bag, and I had this lovely bag in and out of my cart, and this bag went on sale, then they took it off. It went down lower, they dropped the price, then they raised the price back up. They went back and forth with the price of this lovely Randy so many times until finally, during the sale, I was able to go ahead and score and pick her up in the lovely fuchsia color. She's so beautiful. She comes with a tassel. I can't resist the tassel bag. So when I saw that they put this lovely bag on sale, I had to go ahead and pick her up. So I remember she came in a couple of other beautiful, lovely colors. I believe she came in blue as well as in maybe chestnut. I'll go ahead and see what other colors she came in and try to insert photos here. But I had to go ahead and pick up this lovely beauty in fuchsia. I hope that the color out here is doing her justice. The only thing is, I did think that she was a little bit larger, but she's a little bit smaller than I thought. I thought she would be more like the size of like a Courtney sack, the Dooney Bourke Courtney sack in extra large, but she's a little bit smaller, but that's okay. I love this beauty. Sometimes you need something a little bit smaller. You don't want to go so large. So this is the lovely Randy. And I just wanted to go ahead and talk about her in my collection today. The interior is lined in red. It doesn't have the green leather that most Florentine bags and the satchels have. The interior is lined in all red. But like I said, that's okay. She's a stunning beauty, and I mainly love her for her tassels. The color out here is really doing her justice. So thank you girls for joining me for my quick unboxing or unbagging of my lovely Randy from Dooney Bourke. I will come back to do more videos on her. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos. I love you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video.